Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you know that we are practicing sample papers since last few videos. So we will be continuing with the same topic. As of now we have discussed short answer type questions. But today, uh, from today we are going to start the practice of long answer type questions from sample papers. Okay, so today we are going to discuss long answer type questions. Long answer type questions okay from sample paper 1. Long answer type questions from sample paper 1. So let me write down the first question. Lenko had faith in God. Lenko had faith in God. Lenko had faith in God but lacked faith in humanity. But lacked faith in humanity. Lacked faith in humanity. Elaborate with reference to. Elaborate with reference to a letter with reference to a letter to God. A letter to God. Okay, in 100 to 150 words. In 100 to 150 words, we are supposed to answer this question. Okay, Lenko had faith in God but lacked faith in humanity. Elaborate with reference to a letter to God. Okay, so let us write answer. So dear students, as we have read in the story that Lenko was a poor farmer when he received money from post office employees. So as he had firm faith in God, so he thought that he was not only he thought, he was sure that the money which he received was sent by the God. When he counted the money, he found that he did not receive the amount which he had requested for. So that is why he wrote another letter calling the post office employees a bunch of crooks, because the money which he received, it was just a little bit more than half. It was just 70 pesos. Okay, so that is why he was not satisfied and he had faith in God but lacked faith in humanity. So that is why he called them bunch of crooks, because he had faith in God and he lacked faith in humanity, and he considered that the money which he received, even though that money was collected by the post office employees and given to him, but he thought that God had sent him the money, okay, and these post office employees must have stolen the 30 pesos. So that is why this all this proves that he had faith in God but lacked faith in humanity. Okay, so let us write answer to this question. I am going to rub the question. I hope you have taken the screenshot. Okay. Lenko was a poor farmer. Lenko was a poor farmer. He was a simple human being. He was a simple human beings. He was a simple human beings. Not beings, beta. It is singular. Na? Should be being. His crop got devastated because of the hailstorm. His crops got devastated because of the hail storm. Because of the hailstorm, it was not possible for him to make arrangements. It was not possible for him to make arrangement for 3 times meal for 3 times meal. His family was in dire need of money. His family was in dire need of money. So he wrote a letter to the Almighty. So he wrote a letter to Almighty. Almighty means God. Almighty, to the Almighty, and thought that the God would certainly send him the money. To the Almighty. Let me rub it. I hope you have taken the screenshot. And thought that the God would certainly send him the money. So God would certainly send him the money. The postmaster read the letter and decided to send him the money. The postmaster read the letter and decided to send him the money. And decided to send him the money. He was able to send the farmer only a little more than half. He was able to send the farmer only a little more than half. So we have seen in the story that the postmaster thought that Lenko thought that the God would certainly send him the money. The postmaster read the letter and decided to send him the money, but here it should be but, not full stop, no? But he was able to send the farmer only a little more than half. Okay. So take the screenshot. I am going to rub it. So he became angry when he counted the money. Change the paragraph and write Lenko became angry when he counted the Lenko became angry when he counted the money. Lenko was not surprised to get letter from God. Lenko was not surprised. Sorry. To get letter from God. He became angry. He thought that God could not have made a mistake, nor could he have denied Lencho what he had requested. So he thought that God could not have made a mistake. He thought that the God could not have made the mistakes. God could not have made the mistakes, nor could he have denied Lencho what he had requested. Nor could he denied Lenko what he had requested. Okay, dear students? Lenko became angry when he counted the money. Lenko was not surprised to get letter from God. He thought that the God could not have made the mistake, nor could he deny Lenko what he had requested. So take the screenshot. I am going to rub it now. He accused the post office employees. He accused the post office he accused the post office employees he accused the post office employees of stealing money in his second letter to God. Of stealing money in his second letter to second letter to God. He did not reflect faith in humanity. So dear students, he did not reflect faith. He did not reflect faith in humanity. He did not reflect faith in humanity. He showed his trust in divine only. He showed his trust in divine only. Okay, so this is all about the answer. The question was, dear students, Lenko had faith in God but lacked faith in humanity. Elaborate with reference to a letter to God. So in which, dear students, we have written, as we have read in the story, that when Lencho, when his crops got devastated by hailstorm, he had no hope for help from anyone. Then as he was taught, as he was instructed, as he was an illiterate person, but he had enough sense to think that when no one is there for help, then only God can help. So he decided to write a letter to God, and he wrote a letter to God. He was expecting that the God would help him. In his letter, he demanded 100 pesos from God. When the post office employees, the postmaster, saw the letter, it was addressed to God, he got surprised. When he opened the letter and read it out, he found that, and he also decided, before opening the letter, he also decided that he would help the person, the farmer, the man who had written the letter to God, in order to not break the writer's faith in God. But when he read the letter, he found that in order to answer the letter, he needed more than the goodwill. Then, dear students, even though in order to not break the narrator's faith in God, he decided to answer the letter. He collected the money from his post office employees. He also gave a part of his salary. But by doing so, he could only collect 70 pesos, which was just a little more than half what Lenko asked from God. When next Sunday, Lenko came to inquire about his letter, whether the God had replied him or not, the postmaster himself handed over the letter, which was signed as God. When Lenko opened the letter, he did not show the slightest surprise because of his firm faith. He had firm faith that God would help him. When he counted the money, it was less by 30 pesos. So he decided to write another letter to God, in which he asked to God to send the rest 30 pesos. At the same time, he also wrote that the remaining money would not be sent by the post office, as the post office employees are the bunch of crooks. So this shows that, dear students, Lenko had a firm faith in God but lacked faith in humanity. What he had written in his second letter, with that statement, it is clearly proved. Okay? So, dear students, if the value-based questions are asked in your examination, so you are supposed to state what he had written in his second letter to prove that he had a firm faith in God but lacked faith in humanity. Okay? So thank you all students. Now we have started practicing long answer type questions. We will be continuing with it in the next video too. So after finishing short answer type questions, now we are practicing long answer type questions. After that, we will start the practice of writing section. So thank you students for watching this video. See you tomorrow.